These is one of my awesome gifts, a Busy Bee from Rosa Beauty Fashion. Hi everyone, I got a package, I got a box! And this is a birthday gift from Rosa Beauty Fashion. And you know I'll leave her YouTube and Instagram in my description. And because I got a box, everybody don't get to use my name on the box. So, let's open it up. Cut like butter. Cut like butter. Let's see what's inside. Oh my, it is packed. So. I got a card. Honeybee friend. Thank you. Better late than never. Hee hee. Laughing her ass off. Hi girl. Thank you for being you. You always make me laugh. Hope you like your goodies. Thank you for your love and support on my channel and Instagram. Hugs. God bless. Kisses. Rosa Beauty Fashion. Okay. Now, do is I'm going to take out everything and show you everything and then unwrap everything and then show you everything. So, we'll be back. This is all my stuff. I'm going to get to unwrap. Okay, I'm going to show you my things and stuff and things. Okay. I got a traveling straw. I got a detangler shower comb. Got a scalp massager. A bee pail. And I'm going to put my face mask and hand mask and stuff in there and put that in my bathroom. Oh, it's a honeybee. And I got a gnome that has bee hat on. There's my gnome right there. All right, honeybees. I also got this glove. It's an exfoliant glove, as well as this mask facial applicator. I never had that before. And I got hands and gloves for my hands. I got vitamin from face and foot mask. And I also got foot scrub and hand sanitizer, coconut and lime. And that smells pretty different than just a regular alcohol. And over here I got lip gels, antioxidant. Hopefully it'll stop my lips from peeling, because of this heat and cold weather. My lips are starting to peel. So this is Wine Down antitoxic lip jellies infused with red wine and hydrochloric acid. These are all my things that I got from Rosa Beauty Fashion. Thank you, girl. Thank you so much. So much. Getting ready for spa night. Got my candles. I got my Parrot Bay coconut rum, my shot glasses, and my Gymnex mango juice. Mix that together, make me a cocktail. That's my nail glue to put on my stickers. I got my foot stuff to do my feet, my foot scrub. And I got the clear nail polish. Got me a do-rag to put on my head. And I got all my spa stuff, my hand, my feet, my mask. I'm going to show you what's in this little package right here. These are nail jewelry, and I thought they had a sticker, but I'm trying regular glue on my nails. Hopefully it'll work. Check out Rosa Beauty Fashion. She's a fashion model and the CEO of Rosa Beauty Fashion. She sells purses, jewelry, clothes. Follow her in my description below this video. And don't forget, slap that subscribe button.